Stranded on this island.
Hey guys, it's Pat here at Manitoulin Island RC. How are ya? I've got the Traxxas TRX-4 out for a cruise. Yeah, I thought that was going to be too deep. I fell into a hole. Alright, take two. See if I can make it up this anyways. So these tracks are awesome. No, I was just not going to climb out of that. Will it? Oh, maybe. They look super cool. They work well. You just have to maintain them. This wheel here, as you can see, already has buildup on it, and I did climatize them. However, the weather right now is not cold. It's right around +2, I guess, so it's above 0. And the snow is just sticking to it no matter what. I did oil them. You got to use WD-40 as they recommend on all the bearings. And you just got to maintain these tracks to make them work right. But that one wheel in the back keeps picking up the snow. Ooh, better watch where I'm going here. Thought I can just kind of ride the edge of the ridge, but got sucked over the edge. There we go. So this is one of my favorite trucks because of the tracks. I get to use it in conditions where I can't use other trucks. Tires just won't roll in the deep snow. This might be doable because the snow's not that deep. It's only been snowing for a little while, but it's like a whiteout out there. I'd say we have about maybe 1 inch of fresh snow. 2 to 3 centimeters maybe, not quite. Let's go explore a bit. So I got it in low gear right now. Ooh. I did add a, I think it's like 35 kilogram servo, just one of the Amazon specials, because the stock servo on this thing would not cut it. It's just not powerful enough for this thing. So I wonder why I keep getting snow on the same wheel. That's weird. Huh. I think it's just the weather conditions today are not exactly right for the tracks, but I'm going to use them a little bit, make sure I don't stretch them out. And I'm going to stay out of second gear today because that really wrecks them. But yeah, that one wheel seems to really pick up the snow. I wonder if I have to adjust the tension on the tracks, make them tighter a little bit. That could be. But I thought I checked that earlier. Yeah. I think we're good. Oh, I can hear the ice cracking under my feet a little bit. We're safe. I'm only in about maybe 6 inches of water if I break through. Don't want to go that way. Let's go down there a little bit and play. Bit of a hill here. Yeah, it seems really fun to drive with the tracks on it, but like I said, they do need a lot of maintenance, and you got to have the right conditions. The trick is, of course, you got to climatize the vehicle, put it outside in the cold, let it get cold before you go out in the snow, because if you don't, the snow will start melting to the tracks right away and they'll ice up, and that'll cause even more problems than I'm having now. So, but yeah, this is working out pretty good so far. I'm pushing this thing with the Fusion 1800 Pro. It's the older version, but I really like this motor. It's freaking awesome. Tons of power, it goes super slow. Second gear on this truck is awesome as well. But with the Traxx on, I don't really want to test it right now. Oh, here's a bit of an obstacle. Oh, it's icy, so I'm easily getting hung up. Oh, and I'm in the hole. That doesn't help. Alright, let's use the hand of God here. Looks like a few of my bogey wheels on the other side are starting to snow up as well, so might have to call this trip short. Let's see how bad they are. Oh yeah, that one back one there. Yeah, that's really bad. Jeez. That's better. Yeah, not too bad. This one here is not bad. Yeah. The snow is just sticking. Super sticky. Ooh, don't go down the hole. Sorry guys, didn't realize my camera was tilted a bit. Well, we're gonna head up to the house and warm up. Probably throw a log in the wood stove and let the snow melt off this truck. Do some maintenance on the tracks, oil up the bearings again, and get them ready for next run. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. It's been a pleasure having you. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And if you're already a member of the channel, thanks a lot. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Cheers, this is Pat signing out, and we'll see you soon. Peace. Home sweet home. Hey guys, it's Pat here at Manitoulin Island RC. Look, I just drove into a hole, not paying attention. Oh my God.